welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be a huge crafting supply haul. And I went to two stores, Hobby Lobby and Joann's, and all the items that you're going to see in this video are clearance, on sale, or discounted because I used a coupon. So I'm going to be talking about all that stuff in today's video. Now before we get started, if you are new, welcome to my channel. Also, I invite you to hit subscribe and click on that little bell for notifications for new videos like this one here and more content. My channel pretty much covers everything. I cook, I clean, I take care of a cute little boy named Jude, and I also show you how I kind of keep this together. So hopefully you guys will join my family and let's get started. Okay, so I don't believe I have my receipt for Hobby Lobby, but I'm just gonna show you all the products that I got. Typically, I try my best to give you the prices on all the items that you see in my hauls because I just know that it's super helpful. But the vinyl here that I'm about to show you guys, it was on sale, so in store, they're 20% off. And with the coupon that I received, it equaled out to be 60% savings on the vinyl, so that's why I went crazy. The vinyl would typically be, let's see here. Let me tell you how crazy I am, okay? This vinyl right here, regularly, this is how expensive vinyl is. Regularly, it would be $60 for a 6-pack of vinyl at Joann's. That's cray-cray. Girl, 60% off. You better believe I'm gonna be up there trying to get every color of the rainbow on sale. You definitely have to pay attention to what they say on the packaging and read reviews and things like that. So helpful. But the vinyl that I got today is strictly permanent vinyl. It's not heat transfer vinyl or anything like that. So I got this pack here and it came with red, pink, I think it's like some kind of like, I don't even know, like it's really pretty though. I love it. It's like a rainbow kind of thing. And on the back here, I also got purple, green, and blue. This is gonna be really fun for projects with Jude. That's the first thing that comes to my mind when I see really bright colors. I also got some gold and silver vinyl. So this is 3 rolls of gold, 3 rolls of silver. This is gonna be really pretty during like wedding season and also for Christmas time. You can do so much with vinyl, it's unreal, okay? So don't judge me. I can label everything up in this house, make some t-shirts, water bottles, girl, everything. I don't know, I'm justifying it in my head. Leave me alone. I also got all white vinyl and I also purchased another 4-pack, and this 4-pack has really beautiful bright colors, and it says silver, rainbow, green, blue, and pink and orange. Beautiful color combos, and it's kind of got like from one end to another, it's got that ombre effect, but it's super pretty and so girly. I thought this was really fun, especially to personalize things for your planner and such. I also picked up this blue glitter vinyl from Cricut. I don't think this was on sale though, so I don't know how that got into my cart. I wasn't paying attention because after I read that the 60% off coupon only worked for Joann's vinyl, I took everything out of my cart, and I guess this is the only thing that survived. It worked out because my sister's actually the coach of a cheerleading squad, and part of their colors is this blue, so I'm probably gonna have to make her and her squad something special. Ow, I don't know what happened. I'm getting old, girl. I hurt myself just making a fist. I also got a couple of t-shirts to do my vinyl transfer. Now, of course, like I said, the vinyl that I got today is just permanent. It's nothing to do with heat transfer, but luckily I am a hoarder and I've got other vinyl in my office where I'm going to be pressing something onto these shirts. I got one for me and one for Jude, and they're probably going to be saying something that match each other. So I don't know. I haven't done that yet, so I'm still new to this and I'm really excited. While I was there, I made sure that I called Jude and I asked him if he wanted me to bring him anything special, and the only thing that he requested was clay. So I got this, and it's pretty expensive, girl. It depends on the clay that you get, but I'm like, damn, I didn't realize how expensive clay really was. I got the white one because it air dries. You don't need to put it in the oven. He doesn't need to burn down my house, and all you have to do is paint it. So I thought that was perfect. Okay, now for the fun stuff. I'm gonna show you all of my planning items that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. 2 of these items I did purchase from Joann's, but I decided to just lump them all in one bag because I wanted to share them all together. They're in this really crunchy reusable bag, so hopefully you guys don't get annoyed by the noise and just enjoy the ASMR. Actually, I'll just take him out and put him on my lap. Okay, so first up is going to be this item that I got from Joann's. It's a 5 sticker roll, and pretty much it's just got tons of stickers to add to your planner or calendar, and it helps you with listing. I'm a list maker, and I just feel so much more productive when I make a list and I check things off. I'm really realistic about my lists. I try not to make lists for my lists because that can easily get overwhelming. Now, the other item that I got from Joann's is from the Happy Planner, and this is a 12-month planner. They do have larger ones, but I love the size of this. I love this planner because of all of the cute illustration of women on the front of them. I just thought it was so fun. I'm trying to open this up without hurting myself because I recently cut myself. Little fashionistas, little high heels everywhere. This is so fun. I love all of the dividers as well for each month, and it's just so user-friendly. I absolutely love that part. It's like no fuss. Even if you were just to fill it in with just pin, it still looks really nice. You don't have to add anything to it. So if you're looking for a nice planner, I would definitely go with one from the Happy Planner. Now for the items that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I have a few more products from the Happy Planner. These are their stickers, and they were $4.99. That day, I believe they were 40% off all the planner supplies. I also got a couple of their sticker books. This one here is their Faith Warrior, because I am Christian and I just joined another Bible study, and I'm planning to start serving at the church that I just decided to start going to, and yeah, it's right up my alley and it's so fun. Like I said, they have sticker books this size as well for any type of lifestyle. You don't have to be a mom, you don't have to be a Christian. There are so many others that you can choose from. I love that they also have stickers towards women of color, so that's really fun. Make sure you guys check it out. This pack of stickers was $20. Really expensive, but there's tons of items and options for you guys in here as well. Again, 40% off. Another product from the Happy Planner are these little stencils, and these are just going to help me create perfect grids or lists in my Passion Planner, which typically comes with blank sheets. Next up, I got a product from the Paper Studio. This was $20. Pretty expensive for washi tape, but I'm like, I don't give a damn. I'm focused on me. This is self-love right here. This was $20 minus 40%. That's how I'm justifying it today. Tons of washi tape, and this is just like decorative tape. So you're going to be adding this in corners, over top really important little notes and things like that. I love everything that is printed on these washi tapes. Again, similar to the planner that I showed you, the Happy Planner, very beautiful, women-oriented, like women-powered, focused. If you have been following me for some time, you probably know that I'm really into self-help, especially the material that I read and watch, either on Netflix, on YouTube, or even the podcasts that I listen to typically have to do with self-care, self-love, and very much so driven by self-improvement. I picked up this Explorer journal, and it's actually a 4-piece set. This comes with a gold journal, also a bullet diary, and it comes with a storage insert with some twine, I guess, that's going to keep them together. My favorite thing about the bullet journal is going to be definitely making trackers. Like if it's water that you're struggling to do, you can watch your water intake and see it go up and down, or stabilize. So it's really fun and a really cool way to keep yourself motivated. I used to be a huge scrapbooker when Jude was a baby. I love anything artsy fartsy anyhow, so it's just right up my alley. But I found some scrapbooking stickers, and they typically can be pretty expensive, and I know that I've seen people who have Cricuts make their own scrapbooking stickers, but that is really time consuming because there's so many layers to it. It's unreal. So I just buy the damn stickers myself. These ones here, the first one is for school. I have so many school pictures of Jude. It's so cute. He's going to be in 4th grade soon, so I've got tons of pictures. If you guys have been following me, you probably have seen pictures of Jude in wrestling tournaments, either in weigh-ins or actually on the mat. I also got some stickers from when we went on a cruise, and London, because I'm planning a trip to go with Jude to London, and we're going to see all the Harry Potter sets and do anything and everything Harry Potter-esque. So I'm really excited about that trip. If you guys have any tips, please let us know in the comments down below, because I would love some help getting around London, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like a little kid. I can't wait to explore. And the last 2 items I'm going to share with you are from the Paper Studio as well. This is from their Agenda 52 collection. These are gold large paper clips, super cute. I've also seen people use these to hold their money or credit cards. So I thought this was really fun, and they're just so big. They're like really fun to look at, and I love these because I always like to use binder clips to hold my planner to my place in the spot in my planner. So this is going to be a lot more attractive than using a binder clip. And I also got these really cute little bow paper clips. It comes in a set of 4 for $4 minus 40%. And I just love them. I think they're so pretty and really fun and super girly. And yeah, I'm either going to use these in my current books that I'm reading as bookmarkers, or in my Bible to hold my place when I'm at church. So, I mean, I can think of a few things I can use paper clips for. I love it. Anything girly. Like I said, I can't wait to upload this video so I can finally play with my planner. So that's it for this video. My face is actually hurting from smiling. I didn't realize I was smiling so much. I just get so much joy out of this kind of stuff, so hopefully you guys do. I really feel like my channel is starting to make moves into different directions, trying to really figure out what sparks joy. I feel like Marie Kondo right now. But like, honestly though, like what really makes me happy, especially on the space called YouTube, because a lot of things I find myself doing that I just feel so forced. So I just have to make sure that I'm staying genuine to myself. And I hope that comes across well. And I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me lately. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers as well. And yeah, I can't wait to see you in the next one.